My name is Lee Dobinson and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for a company called BioteCH4. So we take food waste and we then digest it through our process without oxygen. In that process, we then generate gas, just as you and I do, and then we capture that gas and use it for good to generate energy. The industry is really somewhere only between 15 and 20 years old. So the innovation and the growth has been huge, right from electrical and mechanical engineering to operations, to finance, to marketing, to commercial. And that's partly because the industry continues to grow and innovate.
My name is Isaac Carswell. I'm the Digestate and Business Development Manager at BioteCH4. So I manage the Digestate, but then in the kind of off season and all the rest, I look into new exciting green energy and other kind of business ideas to help grow our business forward. So I started working on farms when I was 15 and then went and studied agriculture at university and then I was up in Scotland and I came down here to work, starting the Digestate and then running potato harvesters and other kind of bits of agricultural activities. And then I moved across to the BioteCH4 group. The most rewarding part of my job role is seeing obviously the Digestate being used, benefiting farmers. So Digestate is significantly cheaper than artificial fertilizer, but it's also significantly better for crops. I've never seen it where Digestate's not outperformed artificial fertilizers. That's always kind of a great satisfaction of mine. Digestate, there's a lot of kind of nutrition, there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of usefulness within the product that will need to be continued to be utilized because we will reach a point whereby creating new will just not become economical anymore.
My name's Sean Coolham, I'm lead operator at BioteCH4. Every day is different really. We can go through 200 to 300 tonne of food waste a day. There's lots to learn, even if they're wanting to go into engineering, if they start as an operator, there's lots to learn. I'm still continuously learning every day.
My name's Caris and I'm Marketing Executive at BioteCH4. My journey before working at BioteCH4 started off with a degree in psychology. I did art and textiles and photography at school and I kind of missed that. So I went into a junior content creator apprenticeship. I then came here to BioteCH4. A day in the life of my job can be anything from a full day focusing on website work, filming over on site, and events.
As your career extends over the next 10, 15 years, there will be opportunities that will open up that you can't even see today because the potential of the industry still hasn't reached its max.